Hey guys, Merry Christmas and welcome back to another video of the Let's Get Technical YouTube channel. I'm looking for an object here to try to hold the phone down. Perfect. I'm going to use this book here. Because today I'd like to show you one of the things that I got for Christmas. This is the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. The black charcoal. I believe so, yes. So now I'm going to open it. This is the live unboxing. Great, I don't have a knife. All right, here is the Echo Dot, and I'm going to open it. Oh, no need for the knife. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. It is open. Now comes the task of meticulously opening it. Oh, here we go. Here it is, the Amazon Echo Dot. It comes in this, so I'll just take it out right here. Oh, wow. I apologize for the noise back there. Closely, slowly, here is the dot, the Amazon Echo Dot. This comes inside of the package. You have that. You also have this. Enjoy your favorite music, questions, stay organized, voice control your smart home. News, weather, and traffic, stay connected. Alexa has skills, Audible, and Alexa shopping. It also comes with the charger. You can listen to Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, Pandora, NPR News, TuneIn, Hue, personal wireless lighting, SmartThings, TP-Link, and more. Once again, this is the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. This is the black charcoal. And this comes with Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and audio line out. Now I'm going to go set it up. Okay guys, I haven't set up the Echo Dot yet, but once again, here it is. I just want to show you it. Da-da, da-da, da-da. There it is. Here it is, guys. It is on. I'm gonna turn the close the blinds here.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
All right, I'll do so. Thank you. And the Amazon Echo Dot is ready. Hey Alexa, tell me a story.
V2. If I could build you, said the robot to his friend, I would build you to look just like me. The robot was a sleek and wondrous thing,
Hey
all
Alexa,
silvery
what's 4 plus 4?
4 plus 4 is 8. By the way, you can now ask another question without having to first say Alexa. Enable this feature by saying turn on follow-up mode and silent retractable cameras and speakers.
Follow-up mode.
The friend,
hey Alexa,
who is a
turn on follow-up mode.
Follow-up mode is not available on this device. The model of an earlier
Hey
design.
Alexa, play the Jeremiah Patterson Show.
I'm not sure. Dad, why wouldn't you build me as I am?
Hey Alexa,
This
cancel. Hey Alexa, play some music.
Here's a popular station, Mellow Folk, on Amazon Music.
All Alright guys, I'm trying not to get copyrighted here, but thank you everyone for listening, watching this video. Have a great day, remember to stay positive and inspired, and enjoy your Christmas.